Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Agnes Zauza Afifah. Saya dari Prodi PAI semester 3. Di sini saya akan membacakan sebuah artikel yang berjudul The Power of Discourse. Inspire the Road, Spoil the Child, Critical Discourse Analysis of State Corporal Punishment. Policies and practices argue the school discipline policies, particularly corporal punishment or CP, not to acknowledge the central role of rights, despite extensive research demonstrating the negative impact of CP on learning and social emotional development. Use critical discourse analysis or CDA, an effort for article exploring power at its exercise talk language. The authors aim to understand the state's rationale from containing or CP, the relationship between rationales and patterns of parties, and how they reflect discourse related to power, control, and punishment. Employing a method, the author's qualitative analysis pulled its language from the 50 state and quality analysis CP data from the Office of Civil Rights, exploring the relationship between language and practice while uncovering unforeseen discourse influencing policy and practice. The authors found their overtaking discourse or logic supporting the continuance of CP morally has its roots in Christian religious teaching as a tool for moral development, bring children into accordance with divine authority, pursued scientific theories of human development, historically tied to racial supremacy, and the idea that humans were more responsive to physical sensitive nutrition further influenced the discourse. Delinquency discourse assumes CP is necessary to ensure a safe and orderly learning environment. State policy documents justify it as the protect teacher and learners from destructive and violent student labels that historically have been used to justify violence against central groups by portraying them as unworthy of empathy. The third discourse authority refers to language in politic documents establishing the authority of school to basically punish students regardless of parental preferences. The legal doctrine of logopedance in place of parent give education considerable disciplinary authority, and the authors found that most states offered a form of immunity that shielded them from prosecution for excessive punishment. At the Zabala Software at 2024 and Dailywell at 2024 articles highlight particularly powerful tool for exploring policies that establish power and control in public education, particularly those that threshold the discipline and punishing of students of color and the disempowerment of black and brown families. Mixed methods approach which export both to content of education policy and as revealed disproportionate as of CP based on rank as other student background, characteristics with black students being subjected to CP are alarmingly disparate. Left it is likely that the relationship that discovered between state policy as of color efforts and deficit language and high rate of CP application to minority students is evident for other policies contained with power control and discipline, soon as those vanished of source. In conclusion, in education quality politics and religion-based target benefits, MC Shambi and Mulroy explain demonstrate the power of discourse to establish and sense on normalcy as the CDA. The authors exploring the development of the fund for the improvement of post-secondary education and how to concept equality and quality become discovered in the administration of higher education policy in 1968 thoughts 1994 Altec FIPS was founded to identify and disseminate projects to support quality-based transformation in teaching, learning, and administrative structures within universities. This founding mission, the Operation Quality, become from a soft standard and black-face effort as crusade to save higher education, safety, the social construction of FIPS target population from students of scholar to higher education institution. The author explained that policies aimed at advancing equal educational opportunity in the United States are often met by resistant and sustained backlash. The describe the unproud as to shift the purpose of FIPS and quality politics which have four stakes. First, strict access to a public good interrupted subsequently actual access policy in education and works to delegitimize the provision of religious target codes. This is paired with a negative backlash background in love aversion in a spacing of U.S. higher education. Finally, quality can calls at development become the dominant content of the organization tasked with administration equal access to the process policy argument of education quality process as a reality narrow context every concept and undermine the conferral of resources and power to minoritized communities. In failing the threat of friend in education, export the cultural policies of emotion in CRT ban political discourse food at as CDA allows critical methodology to offer a critical discourse analysis of racial emotion and public policy discussion commonly CRT ban in U.S. education. With people trained to avoid discussing the rat as nation because it makes them uncomfortable to do so, yet by have this discussion and better understand the role of racism in society and how it impacts policy and particularly in school, we can work to create anti-race school communities on explore the connection between racial emotion occurring in legislative session. The discourse surrounding KRT bans to examine the role they play in how policy is spanned and ultimately how curricula and student learning experience impact. Focus their series on although North Dakota, Oklahoma, and Texas either adoption of CRT legislation that passes until CRT legislation win a year old term. Executive order barring federal agencies and contractors from education and training on deficient concepts or harmful ideologies related to race and gender. The script CRT not being taught school, it has been visited by with convertibles to downplay and outdated the import of race in society. Efficiently raising or banning the risk of race and racism in the classroom should emphasize that attempt and success to ban CRT and its with the racial emotion and the population of with submerging pressurizing with people's comfort and maintaining with external threat that affect language in religion much like critical political argument for the need to back up the role and development of police to understand how in America what problem is was and needed to solve the hope in has changed over time and hope in versus the dominant culture. Also argued that we need to understand the roots of racial emotion, particularly the role of with capitalism and in the nation building project. Okay, maybe until here and let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.